Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new. Hey girl. But today we are going to be doing these twists right here. They are super chill, super quick, but also super cute. So let's get into it. Okay, so we are going to be doing some jumbo twists. Now, I've done this technique before, but it was just on like a regular color too, and they were super long. But I parted off like the top section, and I just sectioned it into 3 sections because these are jumbo, or extra large, I should say. So I'm just braiding the root and then twisting the rest down. I didn't want to braid it too tight because I really just wanted to have a lot of texture going on. I wanted it to look super natural and just kind of like effortless. So yeah, I'm braiding it, but I'm not braiding it too tight. I'm actually braiding it kind of loose at the root and then twisting the rest. And I only twisted the rest of it just to get it out the way, so it's not like my hair was just left out. And then I just, put it back. But this is like what everything is looking like, all of my sections. I think I had a total of 38 twists, if I'm not mistaken. And this is the hair that I used. This is the Jamaican twist braid hair in the color T27, and I used 5 packs of it. Well, actually, I used like 4 packs. I bought 5 though. And this is just what the hair looks like. So you know how this hair is. It has like the ends kind of like almost, I don't know, it's super tight at the end. So I just kind of like separated the ends, because when you twisting and stuff, you don't want like them ends sticking out. Because they are kind of rough. So I just separated them, and I used 3 strands per twist, and then I put the hair together, and then I twist it. I also wanted to show you too, like I'm kind of like making it a little uneven, so it's just a little bit longer, and so that the ends start to get a little thinner. But yeah, I'm twisting the hair, and then I'm going to crochet it in because I wanted it all to fit on the crochet hook. So I put it on the crochet hook, pulled it through, and then I made sure to like put the hair like going across and not up and down, because if you do it up and down, I feel like the twist won't look the same. But now I'm just taking my twist out. Now, if you don't twist your hair to begin with, you won't have to do this part. It'll just, if you do it one by one, you won't have to do this part. But I wanted to do all of the sections at one time, so that's why I had to untwist it. But now I untwisted it, and I took the braid out just a little bit, and now I'm just doing a simple twist. It really is super simple. But the reason why I like this technique is because it's very quick, and you don't have to twist from the root. Like, you know how like if you was to do single leaf twist or something, you have to twist the hair onto your hair. But I like this technique because you could just use like your hair to start a braid and then crochet it in like that, so it has something to hold on to. Because I'm pretty lazy when it comes to like protective styles and stuff. I don't want anything to be too hard. I like it to be simple and easy. Otherwise, I don't want to do it. So yeah, and then I just twist it all the way down to the end, and it really is that simple. And this is so quick, y'all. And like I say at the end of the video, these twists were so light, I couldn't even take it. Like, it felt like there was nothing on my head. So I really love these. I love the color. Like, it just came out so good. It looked so natural and kinky, and I was just here for it. For like the first couple of days, I didn't even do anything to my edges. I just let them be, and I really enjoyed it. So yeah, this is what the twist is looking like. And now we're just gonna do that one more time, and I won't talk you through that. I'll just let you watch.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I don't mind spending my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love. Everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you. That's truly. I'm digging you. You make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love.
Okay, so this is the final look. This was really quick and really easy, and it did not take long at all. And another plus about these, when I tell you these are super light, like light as a feather. It don't feel like I have anything on my head, and I love that. But yeah, I didn't want the roots to be like super neat or super like taut. I wanted it to look very much so just like kinky. I wanted it to look like it was a little bit of new growth happening. I just wanted it to look lived in. Like, I didn't want the style to look super fresh and neat and sleek. That's just really not what I was going for with this. I really wanted it to look like kinky, like, you know. They really aren't that long, especially not as long as the last time that I did this style. They come like to my waist, which I didn't want them to be super long. I wanted them to kind of like be this length, which is why I got that length of hair. But yeah, they are very like natural and just like very chill. Yeah, so like I said, that's what I really was wanting when it came to this style. Just something like super chill and just effortless and low maintenance, like. Okay, y'all, so that's a wrap. I'm gonna go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to let me know down in the comments what you thought of the video and what you thought of the style. Also, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. If you enjoyed it, give the video a thumbs up. That really helps me out. Also, too, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, okay? Just do it right now. It's really quick and painless, okay? Just do that for me. Do me that solid. But yeah, I'm gonna go. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.